So here we are. Welcome back to a brand new video, and we're doing hood rat shits with my friends. We're out in BC with Elliot and the boys. This is nice. My nips are cold now. It was warm in the sun. So I guess this is kind of like a first ride for the Sur Ron. We got the 2022 Lightbee X. I've had this for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks now, and wanted to get used to it a little bit before I started making a video, because as you know, I'm new to off-road and I am a baby when it comes to that. I don't want to go making a really bad video. But my buddy right in front of me, Dan, he got me into this, and it's been, ever since he got his Sur Ron, I'm like, I have to have one. I have to try off-road. This is so fun. And here we are. Got a Sur Ron, and we've done some gnarly trails. I've gotten so many bruises. I've launched off of a cliff. It's been really quite interesting. And now I'm going to start recording. Oh. Hi. And the lead guy there, my other buddy Graham, ran his property out here in BC, and he's a Crash Master 3000, so we'll get some good content for sure. Welcome to the boys trip, first one of the year. Sup, Grant? Yeah, we know them. We just met our neighbor. Oh yeah. Yeah, these things are so fun. Brother, welcome to the YouTubes. Welcome to the YouTubes. Got Dan, Graham, Elliot, and the boys on our Sur Rons. 2021, 2022, 2020. He's got some cool upgrades though. He's got a Fox fork and some meats, Maguras. He's got some meats too. I'm fully stocked. It just gets me wet in the morning, you know what I'm saying? Nice little light trail ride. So these things have great range and great hours, but if you're running them pinned, of course it's going to take a little bit of... Please. Yeah, so boys, we're going to coffee and breakfast, and we're going the most convoluted way possible because we have the truck, but we don't. Why would you want to take a truck when you have 3 Sur Rons? So we're following Buddy here. We're gonna go get some coffee, and it's gonna be a fantastic morning. No, probably not. Oh man, this is a nice little trail. Up there? Right now? Nice, okay. We're going up there apparently. Yeah, dude, I got some good air there too. That's nice. I'm getting better at jumping this thing for sure. Yeah. The GoPro is too far away to catch the jump. But anyway, my buddy Graham likes to crash, like I was saying at the very beginning. So I had to fix his bike before we came out here together. Exactly. So it's not like he likes to crash. He 100% loves to crash. Because it's just, that's how we know him. Every bike he owns too. He owns a lot of bikes, and he likes to crash all of them. Oh yeah, boys! Look how fast the river's going. Actually, it's pretty crazy. It's nice out here. Okay, get in there, bud. Oh my God, boys! We'll rip around here for like 2-3 hours. Okay. Yeah, I forgot. I just remembered it. Maybe we're not. Nice, buddy. I heard that. Nice. You're pretty loose right here, hey Dan? I'm still going. Oh my god, this is beautiful! Oh, this is nice. He didn't bring jeans. I seriously cannot lock my back tire up, my rear brake. Yeah, make some noise for the old bears. Bear safety. I got these bare necessities, the simple recipe you need. Yeah, buddy. You almost made it, dude. Do it. I know. Look at those legs. That's more than 45, dude. Dude, you're so hot. Are you taken? Yeah, this. Are you single? People are gonna want to know. Look. Oh, you tried again? No. Okay. Well, yeah. You can't be riding dirty like that. Roll forward. So you're more like here to me. There you go. Can't be riding dirty, and you go. No riding dirty on these babies. We gotta look clean. 80% lean.